Ano sinabi? Meeting pa kayo. Ito pa extended.
Bumist mode eh.
Mix mode ka rin eh.
Ano sabi ko?
Hindi.
Wala kayo yun. Eto, kung nabitin pa kayo, eto ang extended version ng kakaibang kulitan at pagkami sa isa't isa ng Mayward. Tawagin natin itong
Baba. Beast mode.
Kiplitan. Kiplitan moment.
Baboy! Baboy! Baboy!
Uy, look, it's attached na.
Bakit?
I see your hand is there with the balloon.
Ang galing ng dragon nila.
Works.
Why you do that to Edward? Because it's birthday to.
Paano?
Always, ano?
Paano? What did I say?
Manok. Tapos,
I haven't said manok since the teen season.
manok. Yeah, I haven't heard.
Thank you, Ate Lily's rubbing my back. But when I called her manok, it was only because she called me baboy.
Oh, Lola! Ikaw una!
And then she called me...
Hindi siya una kasi because of the balot.
Was it lechon baboy? I called her lechon
I
manok.
said to you, baboy. Sabi niya, ako daw yung nandun sa balot.
Yun, sinesyo.
Sino ba hindi doon mga ano?
Ano?
Tapos maldito.
What are you, Manny Pacquiao now?
Yippee!
Typical yung girl meets boy kind of story.
At saka typical
Galing.
best friends talaga na grabe.